So you want cave, and girlfriend as well. Me comprehend. Me also desire same. But fact is me already possess numerous cave women. Want to hear secret? Listen carefully. Acquiring woman not like killing mammoth. You know smash with club. You smash with smile. Smile pierce woman's heart harder than any spear, but be careful. Woman have nose, big smart nose. Nose judge caveman before brain even think. If you wear same cloth for 5 moons straight, nose betray you. Most important rule, wash body. Clean caveman equals happy woman. And listen this, don't just say, you pretty, me like. That was old trick. Do something better than that. Say sentences that make her think dance, not just her legs hop. Ask deep question like, what dream you have when no sleep? Or, if me become worm, would you still love me? Men need purpose. Women don't like tree that don't produce fruit. If you just stay in cave all day and play stick, no woman stay long. Woman want man who hunt more than just food. Hunt goals, hunt dreams. Because gold spark fire, not fire that just warm body, but fire that warms soul. When woman see that fire, she want to sit next to, get warm, and never leave. And listen to this. Be fun. Funny make woman forget ugly face. Even if you look like log with nipples, funny still work. Get goofy tail, make monkey noises, roll off little cliff if you have to. Woman laugh, heart melt. Funny man win girl. Gloomy man, he just cry by himself in sound cave. But remember, respect woman mind, not just body. Woman not shiny stone to show off. Many men select woman like fruit. When fruit ages, men throw away. But wise man, he see the mind, the soul. That fire will last forever. Woman like that fire. Chasing men look weak, like fish who jump on spear straight. If she say no, you just nod, walk away, hide feelings deep under log, and go on, last secret. Think about cave lady, not lady cave. If you do this, you no die alone beside favorite rock with hole. Instead, you make fire with woman who bring wood too.